No man born of a woman can stop Biafra not to come. No man born of a woman can stop a Biafra not to come.
No man born of a woman can stop a Biafra to come. So this is what this our brother said in this video. He said that nobody will stop Biafra not to come. So just take one of your time and listen to him, because I believe him, because what we are fighting for is that we are fighting for the betterment of me and you. So this thing that this our brother is saying here is that he's telling us that we need to fight harder. We need to fight to make sure that our children, our future children, will not be in this victim that we are passing through right now. So just take one of your time and listen to him. After you finish listening to him, do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. One love.
No man born of a woman can stop Biafra not to come. No man born of a woman can stop a Biafra not to come. If you try to do so, Ijan weze mmiri. Kata ma Biafra mama na biana. Kata ma Biafra mama bia. Enigwe no waya gabiga. Mapas. But Biafra will come because we are the land of grace. Chukwu ikabe magosa chwa anyo mma. Chukwu kechala ikewu anyo mma. We are giant of Africa. And when the war comes, we will win the war. You cannot silence the whole voice. Never. Only one person will get the Biafra. Together, the Biafra will last forever. And we will place the Almighty Living God in heaven. And the whole world will shake. You know,
Biafrans, what shocked me about this Mazi Simon as court case or issue is the level of courage that he has. His spirit was not broken. He's still brave and strong. As he even added more courage to Biafrans. His courage and his unbroken spirit was a shock. Really sent a shockwave to Nigeria. They are panicking. Even the SDOS, the criminal SDOS, they are panicking, all of them. Especially when he came out and saw his supporters, his followers, the people that he's leading, all of them coming from all corners of the world, with America, all corners of the world coming to support him. All of them were with him. See how happy everybody was. So tell me, why won't his spirit get more stronger than ever? Unlike what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention, this is 5 good years. 5 good years. None of these criminal SDOS visited him. None of them made any attempt or none of them is doing anything genuine for his release. Only gossiping, fighting and sacking the people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has put in position. This is what they have been doing. Gossiping, doing propaganda, blackmailing their brothers, calling out their name for them to be unalived. Do you know how many people that
Nigeria government are the one responsible for the killing of our people, and they should be held responsible for that. I am here because
Biafra will become a nation by 2027. That is next year, because I'm making this video in 2026. Yes, this is the original plan of the Americas and also the Israel. If you watch where everything that is going on, the Biafra exists have been signed from the Israel. The Americans are doing everything possible to give Biafra, to make Biafra a nation, and the original plan is 2027. But before then, if you watch what is going on in Mazi Simon case, you know that everything is already planned and mapped out where the final government presently they are in support of the Biafran country. They are in support of Mazi Simon, they are in support of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because almost 142 countries are in support of Biafra now as a nation, and everything that is going on in the Biafran system. And also, I want to tell you something now. If you watch what is happening with Mazi Simon case with the in Finland, it's also what will happen in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case. Now, they know that once the appeal court case starts, because the U.S. Congress, the American government, all of them that are watching very well with what is going to happen with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at the appeal court. Even the Israel, they are monitoring everything that is going to happen at the appeal court with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What is their plan now? Like I told you guys yesterday, that James Omotosho have signed the document that delayed the appeal court case. After the constant delay of the appeal court case, after all the front and back from the judges, from this, all the fracas that was going on in that case, it is not even enough. Now, James Omotosho finally signed the document of the previous judgment. Now, after how many months it took since November, he signed it probably last week or last month, thereabout. Let me say last month. That was when he signed this document. Not just that. Now, there's a recent video that is circulating whereby they are not claiming that it's the ECN, that is the IPOP, that was the one pointing gun to a police officer. If you watch very well, you know all this, because this is they are creating a scenario where to delay Mazi Nnamdi Kalu appeal court case, because they know fully well that if the appeal court case starts, the Mazi Nnamdi Kalu is going to get victory, and Mazi Nnamdi Kalu is going to come out from that Sokoto Correctional Center with the Biafra flag. What is the plan now? They're not alleged. In fact, I know that it's a plan work. I don't know how they plan it, because you cannot tell me that somebody will point gun at you. If you watch well on that same video, the two people that is sitting on the back was exchanging number. Imagine they're pointing gun to a police officer. Even the police officer was so calm, like, they point gun at you. The confidence in that policeman in that video will show that this thing is a plan work. I'm telling you, see, they are just looking for a way. If you, in fact, to tell how shocking this is, immediately they post that video, the video becomes it's not trending. Even all the TV stations were picking it. Anything that is going to go against the Biafra nation. See, people will not take this thing. People think I'm joking. Anything that will tarnish the image of the IPOP or the Biafran, all the media house in Nigeria, even everywhere will be playing it. But the Samekpa case, Mazi Samekpa case, that is favorable to Mazi Samekpa and the Biafra people, have you seen any media house talking about it? Have you seen any media house talking about it? No, none of them is talking about it. But now, because they have planned to thwart the appeal court case that is going to happen in with Mazi Nnamdi Kalu, now they have planned that it is the IPOP, and the IPOP have come out to deny that they don't know anybody associated to this. I have been saying this in my video, that why is it that anything evil in the eastern part of Nigeria, they will target to be IPOP, but anything in the north, anything that happen, they will say they will not even call anybody. Is it that in the north, why are they not attacking that all this banditry that is going on is the Arewa people that is doing it? All the banditry that is going on, all the kidnapping that is going on in the north, why are they not talking that it's the Arewa people that is doing it? Why is it that because of oh God, sometimes it's very, very painful. Why is that everything that is going on in the all the evil thing that is going on in Yoruba land, why are they saying that it's the Oduduwa Republic that is doing it? Why must everything be attributed to Biafra, IPOP, ECN, all of them? They are the one doing all this evil. I'm not supporting evil. If they find out that anybody that is associated with evil in the eastern part of Nigeria should be apprehended and be arrested and be prosecuted, not that they will be tagging them to in fact, if you say that they do all those things just to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kalu and the Biafra people down, it never can tell. Everything is possible in Nigeria, allegedly. Everything is possible. Share this video and comment on this video. May God bless you all.
Yesterday and today, Kama and that ndị Igbo hụrụ Simon Ekpa n'anya. Akpọrọ ya gaa court na Finland yesterday. Kpọkwa ya gaa court taa. Unu abịa hụ ọtụtụ ndị Igbo si mba dị iche iche. From America, from UK, from Canada, from Italy, from India, in fact from Africa. Ha gara na Finland. Ahụrụ m so many ndị Igbo bịara na that place. Ka ha nwee ike ịdị sure say na Simon Ekpa na ọ bịara court because ọ appeal ka ọ gara. Ihu ka ndị mmadụ si na na-eprezi oge ọ na-apụta. Mgbe asa akpọọla ya mkpọrọ, onye ọla dịrị quiet ma echekwa sị mebi anwe ndị Igbo ahụghị ya n'anya dịka esi emewe. Bịa na-anụ so many people ndị kwu okwu ndị kwu online. But yesterday ka m dịrị sure say people like Simon Ekpa dịka ejijije Nnamdi Kalu ya akwa ka ejijije Simon Ekpa na ala bekee. Unu lee anya unu ga-enwe sị aprizinika ala bekee dị iche na nke ebe anyị ebe a. Simon adịka dị onye chi na mkpọrọ. Anyway, asịkwa ile Nnamdi Kalu mgbe ọ fara ịga hụkwa despite little health challenge ndị o nwere, which asị na ndị gọọmenti ebe ekweghị ka enwe ike hapụ personal doctors ya ka ụmụnwe ike na-eleti ya enimi dịka kwesịrị iji na-eleti ya enimi. So ana m asị unu lee ebe a enwere ihe Simon kwuru na abịrị ọsị is the wrong person that they have imprisoned, that the truth will come out very soon. That was his quotation. That the wrong person is the person they have chosen to prison. That the truth will obviously come out. And the woman did nothing mega. So among the joy the woman yesterday. In fact, in the Biafra Mandi Bomande Jo Mande Mbadi Chiche Dona Biafra land. I didn't happy yesterday. Bialeka Umuanya Numuoka in the shi Alabeke di Chiche in the Shiko Africa, Jina Hog and so Nishi and Paramotu police Moabo, the Wokan and the wine, then up by ne chenche, ne lanya Kinheshaga. In fact, yesterday Kamana Ndibo love Mr. Simon Eba. Because they showed him that love yesterday. Or this easy. Somebody they been Finland and Alabeke and they shimbadi teach and fly to Finland. They just support to one he woke or say Mora do ya not do joy. No question because of every enemy. In now okay she name and I say for that. In fact the day before that day, because they caught malaria, I think 5th, 6th, and 7th, 12 quarter. And I go court today. Court, I will come here to, report about it. So, before a day before that day, name a protest. Get up and they say Simon Eba. Na gari na the city na say kahapo Simon Eba na all freedom make on a job. No one young mother the case charge here. Amam, it is the duty of the government of that place to find out and look at his own evidence to know if he will continue serving or they will ask him to have his freedom. Yaleme olichire na okwu mpuruta achọrọ m ka ịdị aka na agbasịa ma na-ekwu okwu ihe anyị nọ wee measure call after nene or negative news or positive or to ndị media houses na-eji report ha bịa report mee ụwa ụwa mana the stage anọ so stage Simon nọ taa wụ appeal agaraghị na Finland imeke sure say enwere ike ịkpọfụ ya n'ebe ịhụ ọ nọ n'oge na-atụ ha anya enwekwele ndị vurule propaganda bịa sị ha erelease elie asa adị ihe o mere adịkwa mkpọrọ oje that day ọfụtala onwe na total freedom such information wo ashị n'aka Igbo TV anyị ga na agwụ the truth so that don't get when the real fact enwe medical release yesterday appeal ọ bịara wo na gọọmenti nyere ya nini ikikere sị ka o maa appeal dịka iwu hede ya bịa maa appeal nke ekpegharị ikpe ya nini na kọtụ nke gbalịrị elu ọkwa na kọtụ nke gbalịrị mbụ so onye ọbụla onye Igbo na-ele anya mara ma a ga-ahapụ ya nwa amadi ya ma a ga-ahapụ ya a sịkwa m dodoro nke na-agbasa ozi one love.